If I may, Michael in Florida.
Michael, yes.
Today, I just have a news item. I know the news item is what, 2H or 2G, something like that.
We can take liberties here. It's a small group. Go ahead, Michael.
Yeah. This is really important. Today in the state of Arizona, the state Senate was in session to vote on a resolution to find the Maricopa County Board of Supervisors in contempt. And they failed. It did not pass. It was a tied vote.
What?
15-15. Yep.
There-
There was a traitor. There was a traitor involved. A member of Senate named Boyer. Boyer promised to vote yay, and he voted no. So.
Anybody check his bank account at the close of business today?
There were some other intrigues in that particular Arizona case. You find pretty good coverage on that on Steve Bannon's channel, but they had Mark Finchem, I believe his name is, I could be wrong on the first name, who is a state legislator there or a senator, and he was saying that the county board of supervisors there in Maricopa, in particular, after they had challenged the jurisdiction of the state Supreme Court and the legislature to order them to produce, pretending that the created could be greater than the creator, had then tried to go to get an injunction to stop them from arresting them for failing to comply with the legislature or the state Supreme Court's ordered compliance with the discovery and being able to examine the machine.
Yeah, that was on last Friday when they did that. Right?
I believe that's correct. It might have been Saturday, but I think this morning was when they had, over the weekend, is when they reported they had put in the request for the court to intercede and give them a reprieve from being arrested.
Well, it's unbelievable what's happening. There is no dispute in the fact that the Senate is a superior body to the county, and they should be obeying the state Senate, and they're not. And it's just more tyranny. We're in a real pickle of a situation here. And I just wanted to report that for whatever it's worth. I yield.
Thank you, Michael. I'd like to share my 2 cents on that. I've been thinking about the Arizona case. Our past guest, Michael, that you brought on, and guests plural, that's a real interesting dynamic that you're tuned into there. But my humble opinion, my research indicates that the source of authority over the county commissioners is not to be found in the United States or in the Arizona State Senate or the Arizona State House of Representatives or the Arizona Supreme or Appellate Courts. The source of lawful authority over the county commissioners is the precinct captains or the justices of the peace of each of the precincts, which are the political subdivisions and constituent assemblies of the county. So if I do believe if we had the budget and the organizing efforts to get enough people in the county there, I believe it's Maricopa County, something like that, right, Michael?
Maricopa.
Maricopa. Yeah. If we could do some boots on the ground, getting concerned activists to assume the temporary vacant positions of Justice of the Peace for their precinct jurisdiction, and just don't even care what everybody else thinks. Just do it, put it in paperwork, and shove that in front of both the commissioners and maybe the state Supreme Court, asking the state Supreme Court to issue an order to the county sheriff and others to remove the corrupted servants from office, or do whatever else is necessary in order to bring justice to this dispute. Then we would be in a position of power. Then we would be under organic constitutional law instead of Roman Empire municipal certifiable insanity. Anyway, just my thoughts there. I yield.